welcome back to Sound Movers. We're here today for another workshop all about learning our letter sounds and using dance to help us. First things first, it is time to do our warm-up. So to start today, we're going to march on the spot. Good job. I want you to use your arms to help you and bring those legs and knees up nice and tall. Good. Keep it going. Good. Then we're going to go for a little step, tap to the side. Good. Good. Let's do 2. Good. Back to marching. Good. Off for a walk around your space. Let's go sideways marching. And the other way. Backwards. Watch where you're going. And forwards. Good. Okay, if I say the number 1, you're going to touch the floor. Number 1. If I say the number 2, you're going to stretch up tall. Number 2. If I say the number 3, you're going to turn on the spot. 1. 1. 3. Turning. 2. Stretch up tall. Good. So we're going to go for a little march around our space. Listen out for those numbers. Off we go. Number 1. Number 1. Good. Number 2. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. Number 1. Remember to crouch right down. Number 1. Good. Number 2. Number 2. Good. Number 3. 3. 3. 1, 2, 3, and stopping there. Okay, I have 3 cards for us today. I wonder which one is going to be first. Are you ready? A shuffle. Here is our first card for the workshop today. Who can tell me what letter sound this is? That's right, it's the J sound. J. And what picture have we got to help us today? What picture do we have? Well, this is a tricky one. This is J for jug. So you might have a jug of milk or a jug of juice. I'm going to flip my card over because I have something special on this side. It's the J for jelly. And we're going to do some wibble wobble jelly arms. Wibble wobble jelly legs. Wibble wobble jelly arms and legs. Off you go. That's it, everybody. Keep it going. Wibble wobble jelly on a plate. And wibbly wobbly stop. Woo, I'm a bit dizzy after that one. Good job. So that was So that was our jelly. J for jelly. Well done. Shall we see what is next? Ready? What sound is this one? That's right, it's the sound. Is it the curly sound or the kicking sound? That's right, it's the curly sound, and we have a k for car and k for cake. Step inside your car. Close the door. Remember to put your seatbelt on. Are we in gear? Handbrake off. Off we go. Maybe a roundabout. Good, keep it going. Round and round we go. Make sure that you're doing the speed limit. And brake. Ooh, good job. Handbrake. Gear. Seatbelt. Out we go. Good job, everybody. That was our for car and cake. Lovely. Last card. I wonder who can tell me what this letter sound is. I wonder if this can help you. It's quite a tricky one, this one. That's right, it's the Y sound for yacht. Oh, tricky. It is a boat, but it's a yacht. And turning over for what colour is this? That's right, it's Y for yellow. We've been a car. It's now time to get in our yacht, which is like a boat. So in we go. What's really helpful when you're on a yacht is the wind. So it has to be a windy day. So off we go in our yacht on the sea. Whoosh. Ooh. It's very windy today on my yacht. It's very windy today on my yacht. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Ooh, and stop there. Well done, that was our Y for yacht and yellow. So today we had the J for wibble wobble jelly. We had the K for car, beep beep. And we had the Y for yacht. Super work today, everybody. I hope you had fun doing all of your lovely dance moves. Are we ready for a cool down? Off we go. Okay, standing up nice and tall. Shoulders back and down. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Once more, in through the nose and out. Good. Let's circle the shoulders to begin with. So one at a time, circle the shoulders back and down. Good. So they come forwards and around. Excellent. And reverse. So bring them forwards this time. Forwards. Round in nice big circles. Good. Take your hands to your shoulders and circle your elbows around. Good job. And reverse. Good. This time, breathe in. Reach your hands up high and breathe out. Breathe in and out. Good. We circle our hips around, so we circle them around. Imagine you've got a hula hoop moving around your center. And the other way. Put your hands on your knees and circle your knees round. Good, nice, just little circles round. And the other way. Good, take a nice big stretch up and out. Good job. That's it, we're all done for today. Thank you so much for joining in. I hope you had fun. I hope you had a chance to move your bodies, and I hope to see you again very, very soon. Thank you, bye.